Welcome to our comparison of two popular grooming tools from Philips Norelco, the OneBlade 360 Pro and the Multigroom 9000. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your grooming needs. Let's dive in. The Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro is primarily designed for facial hair grooming, offering a unique 360-degree flexible blade that adapts to the contours of your face. It excels in trimming and shaving various hair lengths, making it a versatile tool for maintaining facial hair. On the other hand, the Multigroom 9000 is an all-in-one grooming system that caters to a wider range of grooming needs, including beard trimming, body hair removal, and more. With multiple attachments and length settings, it provides comprehensive grooming solutions for men. When it comes to price, the OneBlade 360 Pro is significantly more affordable at $57, making it an attractive option for those who need a simple grooming tool. In contrast, the Multigroom 9000 is priced at $99, reflecting its extensive features and versatility. While the higher price may be justified for users seeking a comprehensive grooming solution, budget-conscious consumers may prefer the OneBlade. The OneBlade 360 Pro boasts an impressive battery life of 90 minutes on a single charge, allowing for extended grooming sessions without interruptions. In comparison, the Multigroom 9000 requires recharging via USB-A, and while it offers a range of features, its battery life can vary based on usage. Users who prioritize longer battery life may find the OneBlade more appealing. In conclusion, both the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro and the Multigroom 9000 have their unique strengths. The OneBlade is perfect for those looking for a straightforward, effective grooming tool, while the Multigroom offers a versatile solution for all your grooming needs. Consider your personal grooming habits and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.